Hi friends, how are you? I'm Arhan, and these are my Herbivore dinosaurs. Can we get one dinosaur? Oh, there you go. Actually, this is a Pachycephalosaurus. Look at his headbutt. Headbutt. He is brown and kind of, what color is this body?
Yeah, it is brown.
Oh, it looks so brown. So we'll put them in the basket?
Yes.
And he has a headbutt. I forgot this headbutt. What else are we gonna get? Oh, I'll get this little one. Whoa! It's a Parasaurolophus. Look at his mouth. Hey, it doesn't have teeth. And look at it, he has a crest. He's a Parasaurolophus. So that's why. But look at his arms. He's yellow and orange and brown and white. This is all. I'll throw it in the basket. Oh. What is this? Whoa. He's a Brachiosaurus. Look at his big body. He's bigger than a cat. He's purple and kind of yellow stripes. And look at these mouth. You can eat, chomp. We'll put him in the basket. And he doesn't have hands. Oh. This is Stegosaurus that I. So it's blue Stegosaurus.
And what is the color?
It's green, orange.
How many horns it has?
2.
Okay.
And actually you have black color in the side.
Mm-hmm.
You have feet.
Show the face. Okay.
And actually it doesn't close its mouth. And these have green stripes in this body.
Oh.
But actually you can just twist the tail and move the head like this.
Okay.
Next one I will talk about this dinosaur. Look at this dinosaur. Whoa. It's a big one. But actually it's a Triceratops. Look at his mouth. Whoa. His mouth can open.
Why it is called Triceratops?
Because it has 3 horns.
Yeah. How many horns you count?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Tell me the color.
It's green, orange, black, brown, and green.
Show the dino.
Look at the mouth. It can open them.
Okay.
Actually, you have feet to stomp like a T-Rex. See? It's shaped like a T-Rex. Oh, we'll get that big dinosaur. Whoa, you're the big fella. This is a Tyrannosaurus. Look at his dirty mouth. Whoa, he has claws to scratch something. Actually, chomp. It moves his body.
Tell me the colors.
It's red and black and have a DNA. Look, put it away. Oh, next is this dinosaur. This is a Brachiosaurus again. Look at his long neck. Look, he's bigger. But it's, he can walk. But actually have a black, What is this color?
Green color.
Oh, I forgot. Green color and yellow color in the side. And they have feet and tail. Just like a beaver. Oh, what is this kind of dinosaur? Is it a Brachiosaurus? Oh, I forgot. This is a Brontosaurus, maybe. Look at these. Look at these tail. Look. And almost like a strawberry. Look at these feet. It's what to sometime. Look at these neck balls. Wee. It's taller than this one. Whoa. So we'll throw it. Oh. Whoa, this dinosaur has a mouth. What? It's the Pachycephalosaurus again. Look at his arms and moves. And actually, you just push them out. And push the tail like this. And it's green and red. And yellow. And red. Last one. It's a Diplodocus. You have feet and a tail and just like a long neck like a Brachiosaurus. Whoa, he's a big predator. He's blue and eyes gray. That's all of them. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching.